Hello guys, I just found out that you're supposed to change the electrostatic filter every 3 months. If you are a new homeowner or a renter, keep that in mind. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your electrostatic air filter. As you can see that the last homeowner used the filter rate 16 by 25 by 1 with 1085 MRP. I went and bought 2 electrostatic filters from Amazon for $48. The first step is to take out the old filters. It's easy. Just take it out. First one, look at this, how dirty it is. And the second one. Make sure to turn off your heat before you do this. Grab your new filters, just push them in. They perfectly fit because they are the same size. Repeat the same process on the other side. There you go, the other side. So now, go ahead and turn on the heat. The last thing I do before I turn on the heat is to write down the date that I changed the filter on and set a reminder on my phone. And if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.